They basically can solve the issues that any issues you may have without the surgery. And as far as the old term about being bone crunchers, and it has nothing to do with that. I think it's a misnomer. And they basically know what they have to, where they have to go after. And Dr. Pullman did that after my initial diagnosis of the sciatica. And I basically lived with this pain for over 3 months. And when after 5 sessions on the spine med machine, I haven't taken any pain pills now for close to 3 weeks. And I was taking the maximum amount of painkillers every day, and not sleeping well, and it was just a terrible experience. I had previously had, in the last 20 years, 2 positive sessions with chiropractors, and at both sessions and both visits to these chiropractors, so I had really good experiences with chiropractors in the past. And after reading the reviews on Dr. Pullman, I decided, and living so close here in Catonsville, I decided to make the appointment. And 3 weeks ago, it was the best decision I've made in a long, long time. I basically was in retail management for 38 years, so I spent a lot of time on my feet, probably not wearing the right kind of shoes and that. But the major issue I had was this past winter I fell, requiring stitches in my head. And it's basically, after that, it developed into the nerve problem in my lower right side, in the hip area, and then in the lower spine, resulting to a point where I could hardly walk, and getting up in the morning was difficult. Sleeping, just walking and trying to do anything, basically impossible to even cut the grass without taking pills and experiencing lots of pain. Decided I wasn't going to see my medical doctor was aware that I was having some issues, but I decided that the chiropractic program had solved my issues in the past for me, and I wanted to try anything that could help me without doing any kind of surgery. 5 days, 5 sessions, and doing the cold ice packs twice in the evening. And I came back on the 6th day. I put the pain pills in the cabinet, and they've been there now for 3 weeks. Surprising, because I'm programmed to do 22 sessions on the spine med machine, and after 5 sessions, I had noticed it was not immediate improvement, but the pain was at a point where I didn't have to take the pills. I could tolerate. And today, I basically, with the icing, and I don't have the pain that I had 3 weeks ago. And it's just a wonderful feeling. But they're painless. They're painless. They require you just laying on your back, and there's just no pain involved in it. You just feel, it's just a very, very positive experience. And you don't understand how it works, but it works. And like I say, it's one of the best decisions I've made in a long time in coming to Dr. Pullman. I can help you. I can basically help you solve the problems you're having with your back. And I would tell him my past history and give him a short thing of the success story that I'm having right now with Dr. Pullman and the treatments and that. And basically letting them know that they don't have to live in pain the rest of their life.